Welcome to Ivy. We are Ori, Muli, and Guy, a special blend of technology, strategy, and creativity. We are here today to share with you a little secret that can help your business and your employees grow tremendously. As a result of the coronavirus, we are now living in a new normal. Organizations have limited resources, and in order to generate growth, they have to use their existing resources to make more with less. In a McKinsey report from last June, 3 actions aimed to reshape talent in the post-COVID era are mentioned. Feel tomorrow leaders today. Learn how to learn and rethink the role of leaders. In the field of organizational development, Google understood this little hack years ago. They created the G2G program that connects thousands of employees in order to enhance business by mutual learning and knowledge sharing. In fact, 80% of all learning and development activities in Google are one-on-one mentoring sessions. They are using their internal resources for learning in order to enhance their business.
So if internal mentorship is that good, why isn't mentorship available for more employees in more companies? We asked some of the top HR managers in Israel and got 3 main answers. Running mentoring programs on a high scale is expensive, managing them is a big hassle, and especially, it's hard to measure and bring data to the business table. Say hello to Ivy. Ivy is an employee-to-employee micro-mentoring platform, enabling organizations easily run peer-to-peer mentoring programs on a high scale. Ivy helps the mentor and mentees to set context for more efficient sessions, analyze the feedback from them, and gives the HR a clear vision of all the development progresses happening at any moment.
Looking at the learning and development market, we see a huge one, with more than $160 billion invested every year in organizations. But we noticed that most of the solutions are either complex, unmeasurable, expensive, and very hard to integrate. Our solution is holistic, as it gives both the operational and methodological framework. It easily integrates to existing communication platforms, and most importantly, it's measurable, bringing the HR closer to the business core. Our business model is a classic SaaS model with a pay-by-user plan to perfectly fit organizational needs. So, in regarding what's next, we are now building the technical framework of the product, and backed by organizational development experts and professors, we designed the methodological framework as well. We already have a few potential partners that intended to start a pilot with us, and we'll be happy to help you too unlock the hidden knowledge in your organization too. We're Ivy, and thank you very much.